Global Fertility Services Market Report Forecast to 2025. A new report on the global fertility services market, published by Market Research Future, global fertility services market is expected to register a CAGR of 8.99% during the forecast period of 2019 to 2025, and is expected to reach United States $44.14 billion by 2025. The players in the global fertility services market have adopted mergers and acquisitions as a key growth strategy. The female infertility is expected to hold the larger market share of 54% during the forecast period. The art segment is expected to hold the larger market share of 76% during the forecast period, as it is the preferred treatment for infertility, due to its high success ratio. Regional Europe fertility services market expected to grow at 8.50% CAGR during the forecast period. Europe holds the largest market share of 34.6% due to the low fertility rate in this region. Cordially fill in sample request for more details.